our last day in Bolinao, we decided to go to the Bolinao Falls. The falls are on a river not too far from our hotel, actually, and there's 3 sets of falls, and each one offers a different experience. So we decided to go to fall number 3. Not for any particular reason, because we'd never been to any of them before, but we figured number 3 would be a good start.
My sister hired a guide to go in the falls.
Yeah, he rode ahead of us in a motorbike and showed us how to get there exactly so we didn't make a wrong turn or something. You could get lost up in that area pretty easily.
I bet so, because lots of turns in there.
That's for sure. The first falls we went to was Bolinao Falls 3A. When I looked down from the first falls, I was amazed at how far down it was. There were a lot of stairs.
I think so, because the falls was too far down.
I hope I make it all the way down. If I don't, Rhea's right behind me and she can drag me the rest of the way. Yeah, I was really surprised. I kind of thought that, it'd be a few steps, and instead it's a long way down. I didn't have much to carry, so it was pretty easy. I had my camera, and it was on a monopod. So easy, the monopod was nearly like having a walking cane with me, so it was not a problem.
Well, I can be your walking cane.
Hey, when we first saw the falls, I was pretty amazed. Actually, it wasn't the falls that was so impressive, it was how clear the water was and how nice the rock formations around there were.
If you plan to swim there, you have to rent the vest, because they don't allow swimming without the vest.
And that's probably a good policy. A lot of little kids in there swimming around. Not a good thing to go without a life vest. So Rhea and her whole family rented life vests. They all got in the water. The falls also offer an opportunity to jump. You can walk up there and jump off into the pool. It's really great. The kids seem to have a lot of fun with that.
Yeah, I have fun too.
The falls offer a real nice opportunity to swim, or if you can't swim, there's also shallow spots.
And it's really cold.
I didn't know that because I didn't go in. I'm allergic to cold water.
I bet. You're gonna scream.
Absolutely. There's another vantage point accessible by stairs. The girls went up there to take a look at it. It's really a nice view. They just hung out up there a little while and watched the people swim down below. Nice spot.
Yeah, it was a breathtaking view.
I don't know how breathtaking it was, but it was pretty nice looking place.
Because you didn't go out.
Yeah, I'm looking at the video. I spent my time in the editing room vicariously enjoying the waterfalls. I didn't go in the water and I didn't go up the hill, but I saw it, and it is pretty darn nice. It's hard to beat. It's a beautiful spot. You can't aim your camera at a bad spot to shoot. Everything there is beautiful, any direction.
I think so.
Yeah, me too. After we spent some time at Bolinao 3A, we headed over to Bolinao 3B. We followed our guide, and he took us straight there. It was really not a long drive. It's just a few minutes to the other falls.
But this time, JR not gonna go.
Yeah, I couldn't do another stairs like that. I was worn out from the first one. The going down wasn't so bad. It was the going up that really hurt. The stairs at Bolinao 3 all were very steep, very difficult to climb. Climbing down, not so bad. Climbing up, wow, really tough.
You won't be able to go up.
Well, maybe with a rope tied to the bumper of the van, we could pull me up. I don't know. It was really steep though, and hard to get up. For somebody my age, difficult. For the young kids, they run up the stairs. Makes me angry.
How angry are you?
When I watch those kids, it really makes me real angry. You know, those little squirts, they're 70 years younger than me, and they can run straight up those stairs.
Of course they do.
It's a different set of falls in 3B than it is in 3A. They kind of look the same, about the same height. The 3B falls are definitely higher than the falls in 3A. And it seems like to me there's a little more of it. More water coming off the side of the mountain. Really looks nice. Again, the pool around the falls, just beautiful and absolutely clear.
The Nipa hut over there was a Coffee Kubo.
Cafe Kubo, a little franchise coffee chain, had a bunch of nipa huts there for you to have coffee. I don't think they were open the day we were there.
They're already closed because it's already 5 o'clock.
We were there late and they were already closed. This is the same coffee shop that we encountered in an earlier video on the highway near our house in Zambales. I had no idea that they'd have a location at the falls.
Coffee Kubo is everywhere now.
Sure looks that way. If they're at the falls, they are pretty much everywhere. After we finished up at the falls, 3B, we headed back to the Seaview Hotel. From there, we're going to pack up, load our stuff, and head home. It was a great trip. We really enjoyed it. It was kind of surprising, like for me, that we'd have 2 van loads of people going on a trip, but it was a lot of fun. Everybody had a good time. Really enjoyed going to the falls and seeing the old church and visiting the market in downtown Bolinao.
It's nice visiting Bolinao, Pangasinan.
Pangasinan is the province where Bolinao is located. This is JR, the TechSpat OTG, saying thanks for watching, and if you ever get a chance, make it out to Bolinao. It's a nice looking place.
This is Rhea saying bye-bye.